All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today, all right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I've got the Hinderer Knives Eclipse here with me for a quick maintenance video. So if you like this stuff that I'm pumping out, just forget to like the video. And if you want, you can subscribe to the channel if you like the stuff that I'm bringing to you. So let's try to keep this quick and neat. Pretty cool knife here, I have to say. Very great ergos. The action is not like fantastic, but it's still pretty good. We're gonna need a couple tools to try and disassemble this guy. You're gonna need like a spanner like that. I think this is number 12, it says here, for the back of the pivot, and you can see that it's actually working. Then you're gonna need a T6 for the handle, and you're gonna need something like that for the pivot, like so. So let's start by the handle. T6 Torx bit. Just start to take this guy down, guys, down 1, 2, and 3 handle screws, and they're out. And then this looks like to not to be spinning, so that's fine. Sometimes it spins, so you're gonna need both tools at the same time. Unscrew the pivot like so, and then just put it in its slot up here, and gently pull out the blade. Just do it nicely. You've got your scale, you've got your liner, and that is it. So pretty much we are done. Let's just do that. The second bearing is there. You're gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just something like that, to clean everything up. This guy, of course, is tri-way pivot, so you can do bearings, you can do Teflon washers, you can do phosphorus bronze washers, you can do pretty much you want, everything you want with the pivot system. And let's just clean this pretty cool blacked out liner like so, cleaning the tang of the blade, the pockets of the bearings. Let's clean up the lock face insert and this pivot right here. So pivot can go back like that, and here we've got some bearings, and you're gonna need a little bit of I'm gonna do 10 weight nano oil, 1, 2, 3 drops, and just have that guy run around, and then your blade can be in place and locked. And then second bearing goes in, and 1, 2, 3, and just spread that around. I'm using a 85 weight nano oil for the detent ball, which is nicely done, I have to say, now that I'm looking at. And you are in business. Back with the liner and back with the scale, and let's just go backwards from the scale like so, and the scale goes in. We're gonna tighten everything in a second. Number 2 screw is in, just a little bit, not tightened all the way down. I want everything in place. Then I'm just gonna go around and make sure everything is tightened up, check that everything is in place, standoffs, stop pin especially. And now, you know what, I'm just gonna use a little bit, just a little bit right here, only at the tip of the blue Loctite, because it's fine, you know, a little bit of blue Loctite It's fine. Take your screwdriver and just go slowly. Don't rush it. Take your time. Screw this pivot in to a point where it's kind of snug, not too much. Here you go. And now we're going to do the handles. So just tighten that, tighten this, and this is in place. Let's check what are we doing. Spread that oil, close the Loctite. You don't want to dry it out. Blade's perfectly centered. Check for blade play. There's none. So let's unscrew a little bit this guy. No blade play. Blade is centered. And still, it needs maybe a little bit looser. Still no play. And now, yeah, I'm kind of seeing where we are going. It is very smooth. It is really cool, guys. Just a little bit of oil. It's not like, you know, the best. Also, it's missing like a detent bar ramp. But it's smoother, much improved from the older versions of the XM18, for example. It's cool. I love it. Very good. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, just like the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.